Welcome to Restry Health Channel. In this video, we will talk about the benefits of aloe vera for the face, how to use aloe vera gel for the face, and general tips for using aloe vera gel. There are many benefits of aloe vera known as aloe vera gel for skin, hair, and health. Here is the most important information about the benefits of aloe vera for the face, and the rules and tips that you must adhere to reap these amazing benefits. Benefits of aloe vera gel for the face. Aloe vera gel or aloe vera has many uses and benefits when it comes to skin problems in general and face in particular, and these are the most important of them. 1. Fight acne. Due to the antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera gel, as well as its important nutrients for the skin, aloe vera gel may be very beneficial in treating acne, especially severe cases, when applying the gel directly to pimples 3 times a day. Aloe vera gel prevents the accumulation of harmful substances that exacerbate inflammation at the site of the pimples, sterilizing the area and speeding up the healing process. It also prevents pigmentation and marks from forming after the pimples heal. 2. Burn treatment. One of the benefits of aloe vera for the face and skin, in general, is the ability of the gel contained in aloe vera leaves to treat burns and speed up their healing, especially in cases of minor burns and sunburn. This is done by applying the gel to the burned area several times daily. 3. Moisturizing the skin and treating dehydration. Aloe vera gel is suitable for different skin types in general, but it is especially beneficial for dry and very dry skin, as it significantly helps to moisturize very dry and very dry skin, especially when applied to the skin regularly. 4. Reducing darkness and circles around the eyes. Due to the cooling and soothing effect of aloe vera gel and because of its richness in vitamin E and important antioxidants, applying aloe vera gel to the area around the eyes helps reduce any puffiness and also helps to significantly reduce dark circles. You only need to apply a little of this gel around your eyes or even on the entire face before bed at night. 5. Combating eczema and psoriasis. One of the benefits of aloe vera for the face is its ability to moisturize the facial skin of eczema sufferers, as it helps to significantly reduce dryness while relieving the annoying itching and irritation associated with eczema. And not only eczema, but the gel also helps relieve the unpleasant symptoms associated with many other skin problems such as psoriasis. 6. Delaying signs of aging. Aloe vera gel contains substances that help the skin to retain its elasticity for a longer period. So one of the benefits of aloe vera for the face that many love is the ability of this magic gel to combat various signs of skin aging such as wrinkles and sagging neck. It is worth noting that aloe vera gel helps cells to better renew themselves and prevent premature aging of the skin. 7. Fight cold sores and heal wounds. Do you know those painful sores that may appear suddenly on the edges of the mouth? You can get rid of it by applying aloe vera gel directly to it at least twice a day. Aloe vera gel also helps speed up the healing of minor wounds and sterilizes them when applied directly to them, and reduces the chance of the wound leaving a scar after it heals. 8. Other benefits. The benefits of aloe vera for the face do not stop at what was mentioned, but extend to include the following as well: preventing the appearance of dark spots and pigmentation, lightly peeling off the skin, treating scars. How to use aloe vera gel for the face. There are many recipes and ways to obtain the benefits of aloe vera for the face, and these are the most important of them in detail. 1. To combat acne in oily skin. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with the gel extracted from 1 or 2 aloe vera leaves, then apply the mixture on the face and leave it until the morning. You can do this twice a week for the best results. 2. To moisturize and lighten normal or sensitive skin. Mix a well-mashed banana with a little aloe vera gel and a spoonful of rose water, then apply the mask on the face and leave it until it dries, then wash it with water. Repeat this mask weekly to get comfortable and elastic skin and to get rid of any itching or irritation. 3. To moisturize dry skin. All you have to do here is mix cucumber with a spoonful of honey and a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, then apply the gel on the skin for 20 minutes before washing it off. One of the benefits of aloe vera for the face is that it restores dull and dry facial skin, vitality, freshness, and moisture. General advice for using aloe vera gel. To obtain the benefits of aloe vera for the face, which we mentioned, it is always preferable to follow the following rules. Use fresh aloe vera gel extracted from green aloe vera leaves. Examine the aloe vera gel on a small area of the skin first, to make sure that there is no allergic reaction or irritation to this gel, especially for those who have not used it before. If you suffer from chronic skin problems, severe burns, or deep wounds, aloe vera gel may not be the appropriate solution, but you should consult a doctor and get the necessary medical treatment immediately. Despite the benefits of aloe vera for the face, skin, and hair, it may have damages and negative effects that must be wary of, and these are the most important of them: burning sensation, irritation, blisters, and rashes when using the gel on the skin. Itch bothersome. Despite the sterile properties of aloe vera gel, it may make some infections worse, so it is best to avoid applying it to the inflamed areas of the skin. It is not preferable to use aloe vera gel for children, whether by applying it topically to their skin or by making them take it, as this may be dangerous. And thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the alerts button, watch more health videos on our channel, and share this video with your friends to provide benefit to everyone. See you in a new video. Take good care of yourself.